As you can tell, this isn't a hard install and will only take just a few simple tools and a little bit of time to get this work done yourself. Then we're just going to do is we're going to put our cross brace back on, and that's really straightforward, so I'll walk you through it. All right, so the filters are on, so obviously that side's done. This side's done. This side is really tight, and clearances are extremely tight. So what I found is actually if I loosened this bolt and I loosened the bolts in those feet a little bit to give the heat shield a little bit of wiggle room as I got this down into place, because basically you have to take the filter and get it down and around the end of the intake here. It absolutely is on and it's secure. It's just clearances are very, very tight. So once I had it dip back down into place, I went ahead and tightened up all of those. So all good to go there. All right, so go ahead and put your crossbars back on. So put your cover back into place. If you did unplug this sensor, like I did, make sure to plug that back into place. There's a good click there as it goes back in. Okay, so put your vanity cover back in. It's on little rubber grommets, so you just pull it forward and push it down onto its feet. Put the crossbar back in with those 15s on each side. I'll have the torque values for those nuts in the video description, so make sure to check that out. Put your front cross on, same thing, 15s. The 13 here in the front and the 15s down there at that end. And you put all the rest of your plastics back on and you're done. So pretty straightforward. And then, you know, now that you're at this point, you can actually take the little protective plastic off. Yeah, looks good, looks good. All right, guys, so go ahead and put it all back together. Good job, you're all done. All right, y'all, all done. As you can tell, this isn't a hard install and will only take just a few simple tools and a little bit of time to get this work done yourself. Definitely encourage you to do so. And I really love having these MST intakes in my car, and I can't wait to take it out for a drive. Really appreciate you watching. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes an honest difference to my channel, and I would really appreciate it if you did so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.